love your sister very much. Kijana uko mzuri hapo aje. Kijana acha tuweke hapo ngapi? 250. 250 flowers 200, 500. Tuweke tu 300. Hapana, tutoe hiyo flower. Ahora mbele bwana. Kana kama hiyo. Kwa kofia bwana. Kofia ngapi? Kofia 15. Confirm. Namba kwa maiza. Nasikia kushoto bwana. Ndio. Niseme hii 10 na ngapi? 10 will be okay. 10 confirm. Guys, keep on watching. For those who are watching on YouTube, asanteni sana kwa kuenda. Just keep on watching, guys. My name is Maka Mugenda, and we have already started this vibe, boy. Vibing now, vibing time now. Omera. Kwani ni kesho? Now I think it's okay. Clear. Now it's okay now. Dalumoro, bye. How are you guys? Hiyo kitu itani waste. Yenye naona bado. Omera, relax. Bwana tulia bwana. Tulia. Just 1 minute. I want to do something here very special. Okay. Soul Rescue. Jambo aero recorde tagliaro Lucaso. Yasmin, how are you? Mandeb 000. I see my Mr. 00. Hi, my brother, Mr. 00. Vipi Mandeb? I see Honorable Sandemon. Mandebu Baba. 00 send the vibe. Jambo hiro rekode adwaro mundu atende unaye lakini jonyone no tambe no kugende gijanuka haha 00 yeah Mr. 00 0 plus 0 is 001 haha Allo Jambo hiro rekode adwaro mundu atende Cheburie Lois, how are you? Lakini jonyone no tambe no kugende gijanuka Omarie Kolisi Wawoku Nairobi City Mari Kisumu Kaso Wopi Osendeva Kane watundo na ibasha mjoto Kalunga Vikie I 00001 Vikie Tabla Peskinga Wololo Bamba 001 Yeah Mandebu Baba Ae Madiambo Yeah Ewa Chopo Karburu Tunipata Panjalu Francisi, how are you? Haya Diambo Catch Hello Kane wachopo na ikuru Nilipata pacha Tulipata msamaria mwema alitusaidia sana Yeah Lolo adiambo Jambo mama Let's continue. Hello. How are you? How are you? Long time. Energy. Ano, Diambo, mama. Ay, Diambo. Hello. Watundo Kisumu Hello Walo soga wacho Thank you so much 001 Walo soga wacho Yeah Enanyo Madiambo Dok Pirabichu 00. The guy paid bride price of 50 cattle. Karibu kaka mwanangu, niambie mwanangu. In the building. Mano, Madiambo. Mano, Madiambo, mama. Mano, Diambo yae Diambo 001. Have you seen a Diambo? And you know what make a Diambo look so good? When she turn around. She has a big nyash. Ano Diambo mama. Ano Diambo mama. Iriwe Diambo. Ana yuakea. Anyway, Adiambo. I just so Jen Sama. How are you? Ana Gonju. Adiambo, mama. Hey, 001. Way to make Adiambo look so good, sis. When she turned around, she can't hear Adiambo. Fatuma, yeah? Have you seen Adiambo? Yambo, the waist, yeah. Fatuma, Chief Bernard. Kijana mwenye pesa nyingi. Nyatiti ya, nyatiti. Mmea Adala. Yeah. Anasema nikutumie roses. Thank you so much. Yeah, he's a good guy by the way. Fatuma mama, muko nae. William. Adiambo, mama. 0, yeah. 001. Fatuma, mama. Hi, Adiambo. Fatuma, are you with me when you keep Bernard now? Adiambo, mama. Yeah, the song is about Adiambo. Can't you die, Idala? Huyu ni Adala. Adala soja yawa. Soja nipaie soda yawa. Soja. Yeah. 001. Also never. Let's go. We are here with Adala Soja. Winter babe. Gonna. Yeah. Fabo. 00000000000. Hello. Say hello, sir. If you like it, say 0000000. And you don't say that one. You just say 00000. Say you can turn around. I wanna see what mama gave you. Captain Katuma. Adi mama. Hello. Soja nyona lunch. Soja tuma lunch bwana. Babol. We gonna. Mr. 00, remember that? Please just 001 also in the vibe guy. We gonna. You remember this? Shit. It's not morning. I have to change, guys. You know, sometimes I normally is a lunch vibe, guys. This is a lunch vibe. Yeah, lunch vibe now. I think now I have already changed the title for those who are watching. Adala, how are you, Adala? Yeah, Adala is my pin M-Pesa number. Adala, I don't pin my M-Pesa number. I just tell Adala, let me ask you. You have my number, and why are you bwana? Wacha kunipimba bwana. Omera, if you want my number, just ask me Maka. Hebu niambie hiyo namba yako, and I tell you my number, your number, the number bwana. Adala, you have my number. Don't joke bwana. Have you seen this kind of bottle? It's very, very, very fine. Good for water. And you know water is life. Thanks so much, guys. Keep on watching. I see 001. Let's continue with the vibe. Akinyi, Jackie Akinyi. chwanyongado. Sabo. Pocono chwanyongado. Hello. 001. Pocono chwanyongado. Zaki. Pocono chwanyongado. Sometimes Makahuli. Sometimes Makahuli. Yeah. Opening. Random life also never. Sometimes I don't know what's happening random life. Sometimes Jugi. Yeah. Sometimes I have Jugi. Yeah, sometimes personal change. Sometimes Jugi. Yeah. I don't know what's come over me. I don't know what's come over me. I don't know, Mera. Dunya. Grassroots. Yeah, now it's serious. Let me just give you the M-Pesa number. You can write it down, please. Okay, I can just write it, and I'll by the time you have already see the M-Pesa, I'll just give you. Under view, I don't know. Pin the number. Yeah. Go. Under view, I think. You now see, guys. Grassroots, you have seen the number. Grassroots, you see the number. Ero. Inene. Adu achigni gagole. Okna we kanyo. Yeah. Gonna. Hello. Music bring happiness. Music bring happiness. 001. Music bring happiness. Oh, happiness. Hello. Happiness. Kakakumu kelomon. Yeah. Became Filippo. Jody. Some days back my coming Tiamo. I perform in Siaya. Alego Dala 001. Yeah. Tomielo Selena. They gonna dance. Yeah. Some days back I perform in Kisumo Dala. Obunga ya. Yeah. Dunga. Suzy. I meet people from Wapi. Tomielo Dunga. Opozi Baba. Tomielo Dunga. Yeah. Drop the screen now. Kill me with a gift, guy. Goodness is Makamugenda. Music gonna make happiness. Hello, happiness. If you wanna be happy, girl, Kali, yeah. Enoka Hasha, Enoka Baba, Enoka Mr. 00. If you are a lot of stress, you're gonna take music, bring happiness. Miss Juno, Luxury also never. Remember this a long time fight. Roberto, home of improvement. Yeah. A boy quack, yeah. A boy, Wanyagumo, Coaching Kanye, Coaching Yawa. A boy, the hunter. What check about? What are you talking about? Happiness, blessing, brother, absolutely, Sibo. Happiness, we talking about happiness. Ladies bring happiness, you know that. If you have a beautiful lady, say, Anaweza. Aboya, yeah. Abiele, hello, Daniela, I love some happiness, I told you dance, yeah, mama shake, yes, so, dance, go down, shake, go down, wanted to get hello, Elio, gonna. Matija also in the vibe. I see Aaron lady also in the vibe. Yeah. Where you are, Iron lady. Yeah. Anaweza. Lejan. Anaweza. Kali. Iron lady, yeah, Ionia. I see Kali also in the van. Music gonna bring happiness. Butterfly grandma. Tendekeza mayomia waya. Yeah, guys, if you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please subscribe. It's Maka Mugenda. Maka is at MAKA space Mugenda. And also, yeah, if you want to kill me with something, that's my number. Noria Ashley also in the vibe. Johnny, Mandinka is from France. Mandinka, how are you, my brother? Oh, Romania. I'm really sorry. Mandinka, yeah. Let's go. Batimwani Akunda Tima. I see Mandinka from Romania. You're lying, baby. You're lying, my bar. Great. Tap the screen after this. You have to subscribe on YouTube, guys. Team Kenya mko wapi hawa? Yeah. 0-0. If you know 0-0, niambia vinapenda hodari sana. Hello, bonjour. Je m'appelle Maka Mugenda Zojon, la musique j'appelle Nyatiti. Je viens de Kisumu Dala. Yeah. Tururu, tupuru. 001. Yeah. also on the vibe. I see Minister Zaki Brown. Oh, je m'appelle Mandinka. Yeah. Je m'appelle Makamugenda bwana. So change la musique, j'appelle Nyatiti. Let's go. Bienvenue. Alima. Bienvenue Mandinka. Yo quiero lawa. Yo quiero lawa. Yo quiero lawa. Yogi Bo. I know. I see also in the van. Jimmy. There's a lady by the name of Abby. I want Abby to shake what Mama gave her. By the time you are shaking, just tap the screen, guys. Lift him. If you have any question, guys, this is the time now you call 001. My Mzungu from Germany. Ongea Tapuru. Yeah. V high sensi 001. V high sensi. Hello. Ich bin Maka 001. Danke. Hello. Right now, I think you are gloomy. Ujaimba na vile nimesema uniimbie udari my love. Hey Omera yawa, hii kitu ni go. Omera, hii kitu ni go. Wacha nimwimbie huyu mtu bwana. They say 001 how I meet Maratari. Thank you so much guys. Outside. Thanks so much 001. Hey. Jimmy. Makamugenda hari before Bila Fonte. Jaro, thank you so much, Jarek. That's what's on number. Yeah. Akide. Yeah, that's my WhatsApp number. Yeah. Where are you, Abby? Oh, Abby. Where is Abby? Oh, Abby. Oh, Abby. Hello. Oh, Abby. Yeah. Brandy, also in the van. Ungala magopenya jakunya. Bila Odari yae Akili daddy. Mother trying to do music at one. And my mother is trying to do music. Okay. Oh Abby. Yeah. Odari where are you? Odari, where are you? Mimi, where are you? Jaredo also in the van. Jared's poverty. Oh mama. Oh Abby, where are you? Come soon. Send me some of my music. Kulagoma, Idamama. Odari, where are you? Unapendwa, hello. Unapendwa, somebody love you somewhere. Odari, unapendwa, jump up my friend. I'm fine. Yeah. 001. Have you seen Abby? Hey, the love of Odaria. Kulawa. Oh, Abby. Yeah, Abby. Odari. Yeah. Mama, yeah, la. I see. Yeah, mama, yeah, la. banare. Tumulungi, 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 yeah, tumulungi. 00001 on the We gonna zambe, yeah, akili dirty dancing. Oh, daddy, where are you? It's not more, it's not cinema, akili dirty. I sitting down on the one. We gonna yanga, we gonna yanga. Yeah, me too. Mandika, Omera Jipenad, Omera Jipenad, wacha kupita hivyo bwana, Omera, wacha kupita hivyo. Almost Akili Terry, thank you so much. You must go. You want that one? You must go. Yeah. Happy where are you? I wanna see your lover. Oh, that quiet. Oh, happy Akili. Dali Bambari. Dali Bambari. Akili Terry. Kibena. Mheshimiwa kijana mdogo mwenye pesa mingi. Pesa mingi. Akondani. Bernard. Akondani. Budula yawa. Akondani. Budula constituent amechuku MP. Janet Akondani. Kibena. Benihari. Anapenda nini? Anapenda mabadiliko. Kibena. Ni wolono. Budula constituency. Mko wapi? Yeah. Mko wapi? Kibena. Mko wapi? Kulawai. Mko wapi? Yeah. Mko wapi? Kulawai. Maendeleo kwa vijana. Budula constituency. Ama ni vipi bwana? Ama ni vipi Kibena? Tunataka mabadiliko. Kijana mdogo mwenye pesa mingi. Kama hauna pesa, hiyo ni shida yako bwana. Wacha wivu. Wajinyonge. Wenye wivu wajinyonge. Halo. Bwana Kibena ndio kuninunulia tu lunch pekee. Sasa ulininunulia yao lakini kauo no lunch. Yeah. Tuko na 001. Yeah. Ugo wapi? Ugo wapi? Bernard baba. Ugo wapi? Chief Bernard. Kijana mdogo mwenye pesa mingi. Pesa Great for Western Africa. Dancing. Akili dancing. Bernard dancing. Bernard yo. Dancing. Hello, kula ngoma. Kwa nini kesho? You see. Hello, Benny. Hello, I want to see your comment, Mr. Bernard bwana. I want to see your comment, Omera. Pesa itosi yawa. Bernard. Budula constituency yawa. Mko wapi? Send you a lunch kwa hiyo number. Yes. Omera, I'll sing for you every day. Yeah. That's it, Omera. I know you will send. Rabato village. Yeah. 001. ex-Tiger. Robert Sandeva 001, my brother from Germany. We say, Guten Tag, Guten Morgen, viongozi yachi viongozi Ivena yachi viongozi alo we gonna banga come Aska Sharifa can you dance Sharifa can you dance yeah Sharifa can you dance Andy Baba, yeah, Andy Baba, Sharifa. Wow, la 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 la. Let me take water, guys. My name is Maka Mugenda. Keep on watching for those who are watching. Yeah, playing an instrument called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is a Luo traditional instrument. Yeah, I see there's a lot of guys here just watching. Keep on watching. Also have a portable bottle. You see, this is a portable bottle. It's good for water. This is a Go Ultra Cleaner. Pure water. I'm from family in Migori. Akili, I got family in-law in Migori. Akili Terry, where are you from? Thank you so much. There's a guy who gave me here before Akili. Yeah. Akili Terry, you got a family from Migori. Okay, that's fine. Cantonment. Okay, that's fine. You're welcome, Akili. Hey! Yeah! Franklin. Mama, Daddy, 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 Sibio, Daddy, good boy. Thank you so much, Akili. I already, I already. Muzungu wa jamani, lakini anakaa Kenya. Anasema nini? What muzungu can? I don't know what the 001 say. He said hakuna matata. Akili muzungu say one thing. Hakuna matata. Hakuna nini? Drop it, Alexander. Hakuna matata. Yeah, Jimmy Green. I know you must say. I was just saying matata so that you can say matiti. Dirty dance. Hello, Franco Sanjeva. Hello, Terry Bonolo, Nick, WW, Terry, Gravino Sanjeva, Brian Mogere, Muzungu dance. Muzungu dance, yeah. 001, 001, 00. More corruption, King also in the bar. Yeah, guys, there's a name there. I know my brother will say Hakuna Matiti. Hakuna Matiti in Kenya. What are you saying, my brother? What are you saying? You don't see boobs. You don't see. Very beautiful ladies. Hakuna Matiti. I like the vibe. Odano. I see rap also the mind. Tell me, Peter Swazi. I see Peter. No, you are not. I do no longer Peter. Someone who like. I will not say. 001. Odano Babale. Yeah. No, Peter Mwazi. Mwazi, tell me now. No, Peter Mwazi. Odano. Odano nenebu. Odano nenebu. Yeah. Well, if you want one song, by the way, I know Mzungu will like one song. The boss like one song. The Mzungu. Carolina, I see you. The boss, yeah. I need a job, the boss. Mzungu like one song. Ati jambo. Hello. Olano babale. Sonia. Olano babale. Mswa. Ngala you are going along. Olano 001. Mombasa Pwani. Yeah. Odano. 001. I need somebody. I need somebody. Yeah. I need somebody. The boss. I need somebody. Don't. Gonna dance. Yeah. Gonna dance. Ariato. Gonna dance. The boss in the house. We don't worry. I'm back in full swing. I'm back in full swing. The boy Shazito na ngonya pewa. Yeah, the most hello, kijana. The boss, I need a secret. The boss, the boss king. I need a secret. I wanna be a boss. Margarita, Margarita Nerewana Makare Erika Galasu Devos Baba Yeah Akiki Devos Baba Kulawaya Minene Allo Minene Terry on set of the vibe. Babette, Babette, never, Babette, never, Babette, mama. Hello. Thank you so much, the boss. In my life, Kulangom, yeah, Debo, yeah, Debo, Ali also in the vibe. African tea also the vibe. Hello, you are going along. Hello, you are going along. Yatumba, you are on along. Lungi, 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 lungi. Alright, thank you so much, Tanya, also in the vibe. Krishna. I see Krishna. Yeah. Melly, 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 Melly. Hello. Oh, Ali. Today. I see Jana. There's a guy by the name Dude. Baby Razia. One on the divide. One way. Ali, Ali Baba, Ali Alu. Lakini safari overa lakini tobibazima kubira mateke yawa lakini tobibazima kubira mateke yundo yawa aman pina kazi apia la jugu jepo angwen jepo angwen 200 baba cheki si dakika moja unitegee hapa dakika moja niingie hapa kwa nyumba sawa. Begitu bana nimepata mata. Emang ya. Now time to mati. Sumina. Yeah. Bia. Leonard Fay. Serang. Ugana punya ngoma api ebi Ashas Jacaba original Abisino dia Ethiopia Ethiopia lunga yeah Ugana punya Namero baba Punya baba Dengia Salia Vem Zenaya Stama Zenaya Tamila Undamu Gendale Vem Jamia Yeah How are you feeling? Yeah, this is like a fun. Ukenda kwenye wano. Hello. Nyatiti mugenda me. You laugh. Yeah, you laugh. I like that name. You laugh. How are you, Faith? Yeah? Mika Osandeva. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. My name is Makam Genda. Now starting the vibe. We call it lunchtime vibe with Nyatiti. Where are you from, Faith? Mombasa, Skralon, Omar also on the vibe. I see Faith Damai, Faith. How is Nairobi? Ashley, how is Nairobi? Mama, Nazibo on the bar. Ashley Williams, we gonna dance, we gonna yeah, we come mama, the hunter, Helena, have you seen Faye? Lolo Faye, Agal Toto, Robert Bam Hama Hana, I see Anna on the bar. Hello. The beautiful Faye also on the bar. Very good. Amen. Yeah. Hello, how are you? Yeah. Kuna agal toto. Aitwa Faye. Damia. Yeah. Picha inaua hapa bwana. I'm fine. Hey Faith, kama huyo ni wewe. Hey. I don't want to talk to my Wobby. Danito, you're welcome in the bar. Yeah. Yeah. Faith single. That's a simple question to ask Faye. I don't know if that the same photo is there. The real Faye. Kadere. Some king. Karika. Jeremy. Anna. Yeah. Singular. That means you are dating. Anna. Yeah. Anna. Huyo hawezi kuwa peke yake mwanangu. Naogopa warembo kutoka Nairobi. Amir. Yeah. How are you, my brother? Let me tell you, I'm here. Now go power rainbow, kutoka Nairobi. Mr. Amazing. Yeah. Hello. Amazing, can you dance? Amazing, can you dance? Have you? Yeah. Can you dance? You are. No. I am in coach. I'm in Diani. Amazing. Mr. May. Now go power rainbow. Now go power rainbow. Nakupenda. Unapenda ngoma ama unanipenda? Amazing. That's a simple question. You love musician or you love music? Yeah. Amazing Mario. Have you seen Faye? It's amazing. Yeah, this one is amazing, my God. Have you seen Faye? Yeah. mtoto wa Nairobi. Amie, mtoto wa Nairobi. Sijui anaishi wapi, anaishi Karen ama wapi hawa? Niole, ale, unaishi wapi Faith? Ikabet, Kasarai. Naogopa kugongewa. Naogopa kugongewa. Halo, naogopa kugongewa. Daisy, Daisy, Mr. Amazing also never. Ogopa kugongewa. Kenya, Kenya. Amira also never. Amira, you love me or you love music? Amira, you have to be specific. Amira, you have to be specific. Naogopa kugongewa. Yeah, naogopa kugongewa. Oh, Amira, Amira, naogopa kugongewa. Lizzy Mogona, naogopa kugongewa. Yeah, Zinda. Ale, ale. Hawa watu wa kugonga wanafanya nini? Hawana. Yeah, let's go. Guess what's on the van? Anna, oh, Anna, Anna. Tom also on the van. I see. Tom, you gonna dance? Yeah? Can you dance with Amira? Yeah! Tom, can you dance, my brother? Yeah! Can you dance, my brother? Tom, fear women. Tom, fear women. Yeah! I fear lion, but I fear what kill. Samson. Hello. Analiponiona kwa mara ya kwanza alifurahi. Analiponiona kwa mara ya kwanza alifurahi. Na mimi kafurahi. Ana yeni Tomi. Ana mtoto wa Sinda, Sinda machana. Mtoto wa Fei, tunaweza pendana. Tunaweza pendana kama hakuna kugongewa, tunaweza pendana. Mtoto wa mganga amependa mwanamuziki. How can I face a man dancing in the spirit at night? Yeah. Mtoto wa mganga amependa mwanamuziki. Ana, oh, ana. Mtoto wa mganga. Our father is a night runner. Yeah. Our father is a night runner. Yeah. Her mother is a native doctor. Her mother is a native doctor. Hey, hujanijibu. Ama umetekwa na mapenzi. Holy onto the Ibrahim. Grapevine. Anna, oh, partner. Yeah. Pay onto the vine. Mtoto wa Kasarani. Hello. Sprinkles on the vine. Bado nipo. Ama umetekwa. Ama una sponsor. Ama una sponsor. Yeah. Akini. Mapenzi bila pesa ulisikia wapi mama ye? Hakuna mapenzi bila pesa. I can love you without money. Yeah, hiyo ni uongo. Anna, oh, Anna. How can I dance with the spirit dancing all night? How can I face a family dancing with the spirit at night? Yeah. The song is about Anna, the beautiful. Anna is my ex. It's one of my ex. One of. That means there are many. Hello. You know Anna. She's my ex, but her father was a native doctor. Yeah. So I have to quit. Because that love was very, very dangerous. Yeah. How I was thinking. Well, no, Vicky. Hassan. Yeah. Oh, Vin. Caboose. Dale. I'm strong. Well, no, I'm strong. Well, no, I'm strong. Yeah. Langoma. Hello. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go. Aha. Yeah, baby. Jaber hai. Hello. Jaber hai. Anwa winji baba. Jotumo make. Omako paje. How are you? I'm fine. When you gonna dance it? Now I'm gonna dance it. Wait. Ikabe. Olonda. Come on. You're golden bad. Yeah. Gonna go Fabi. Gonna go crazy mama. Odano. Kama wa Kisumu. Yeah. Well, no pay. Now you wanna take you dollar. Kisumu dollar. Yeah. If the hello, you gonna take Gege. Have you taken Gege? Omondi. Ya Omondi Obuda. Aha. Nico. Cindy. I sing that from Australia, my brother. You have been watching me, Nico. How are you, Nico? Yeah. Nico. Ha ha. Morning, Nico. Lord. Can you dance, Nico? Can you shake, Nico? Oh, no, Nico. Hello. Yeah. Oh, no, Nico. I wanna go, Nico. Hello. Kulawaya, Nico. Yo. Vincent Kairwa. Standing like yeah. Standing like Niko. Aye, Niko. Nifunze kupiga bro yawa. Bwana bro anafunza iga. Kupiga nini bwana? What are you saying? What are you saying? Nico, thank you so much, Nico. You are welcome in this vibe. Ninja. I see ninja also in the vibe. Nicole, yeah. Nicole. 001. Yeah. That lady with the white trouser. Yeah. Long my time, long Timmy, long my time, long my hello, IW. Yeah, no nyago moroka, yeah, yeah, zungu mzungu, 001, Mombasa, nyawa nyaka, Lisa, how are you, Lisa? Yeah, guys, thanks so much, my brother, for those who watched today. That's the end of my vibe. If you have not subscribed, Akinyi Nyar Amba Nare Akinyi. Thanks so much, guys, for those who watched. That's the end of my vibe. I want to charge my phone because my phone is now getting my car Tino Tonare. Yeah, my phone is now dying. Thanks so much, my brother. May God bless you. Have a nice time. Shiko dance, Shiko one. Warangi nyako, Cynthia. Pile kenji mapilod mama. Pile kenji mapilod mama. Chamako bedo maber, chamako bedo marach. Joga kawuono gitin sana. Masalik we. Hayo maswali yangu better, you're not my dad. Baby, my Valentine, yeah. Find a hit and make my temperature to rise. If you need me up. Anza kwenda holiday, rudishia mwili shukrani. Ya follow ini kau lagi ngetambah ya aduh ya saya teman saya kerja cuci tapi ini saya pilih bed macam cengguli 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 saya nggak mana bang ini sama gue guys.
Wawezaje kuambia Mtanzania huwezi kufanya biashara Kenya? Wawezaje kuambia Mtanzania huwezi tembea Kenya? Wawezaje kuambia Mtanzania hawezi aende akatafute bibi Kenya? Yawezekana kweli?